Bindi Babes, what's up? Welcome to my channel this Thursday. I hope everybody is enjoying their Thursday. Today, Joe Morton came on and showed us some sneak peeks for the Boxyluxe. He has a video with some of the products that you'll receive in the Luxe box. I noticed he doesn't show all of the ones that are supposed to be in the Luxe box, like the Kylie Skin Foaming Cleanser. He doesn't show, but he shows some of them and two new sneak peeks. So I wanted to get on here and talk about the Boxyluxe. Now, if you're already a charmer and get the base box, you can upgrade to the Luxe. And the first of the month, they will charge you the $49.99. That's $25 plus the $24.99 to upgrade to the Luxe. If you're not a charmer and you don't subscribe to Boxycharm and would like to get the Boxyluxe, you can do that. All you need to do is today subscribe to Boxycharm. It'll cost you $25 today, and you will get the May box. Then get on that wait list for the Luxe, and on June 1st, you will be charged for your regular Boxycharm box, which is another $25, and an additional $24.99, and you will get the Luxe box instead of the base box. So anybody can get in. You still have time. So let's watch this clip that he showed earlier today.
Alright, let's go over a couple items that are going to be in Luxe. Okay. Now I do not have the spreadsheet with the retail cost of each item, so I might be a little bit off, but here's the first palette that everyone's going to get if you join now. This is going to be from Tarte, and I think it's around $45. Then it's a brush set by the $1 Billion Brow, or Green Grass CBD Head to Toe Cream. Both of them are similar cost, around $50 each. Just there it's around $100 in those two lines. Then you're going to receive either a Tula product, okay, or Lily Lashes mascara. You've seen those already, those of you who came and chose an item. I wanted to show you another product, two products actually, from more of a, we have 8 items in the box. One item is going to be outside of beauty. Pretty much everything else is beauty, but one is going to be about something else. So this is going to be a pillowcase with those that you put on your eyes. We had an image if you came and you chose the items. It just didn't, the image on the site did not do justice for the product. It looks really pretty. There are two types, this one or solid one underneath this. Never mind, I don't want, I'm holding one. You can do it with one hand. So it's very, very soft. I don't know what material it is. I think it's satin, but very, very soft, very smooth. Then we also had, it's either or, because you get only one item that's outside of the beauty category. It is teeth whitening. So the reason we started introducing products like this was doing a lot of consumer insight, asking members what they want, and we'll listen and we'll bring it over. Remember, the box is primarily beauty products. There'll be one item outside of that, and in time, if we feel like some of you want more, then it would be gone to those who said that they want more lifestyle or maybe wellness product. So bear with us on this one. We still learn what are your preferences. So those are the items. Those two I think were not introduced yet, so now you know.
Okay, let's talk about what's going to be in our box, our Boxyluxe, in June. So first of all, we know that Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, which sells for $49, will be in everyone's Luxe box. The second confirmed sneak peek was a choice item. It's either the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm for $28, or you could have picked the Lily Lash XXX Mascara for $24. Now, if you just subscribe to Boxyluxe and this is going to be your first box on June 1st, you will get one of these products. They will pick for you. And then next Luxe box, you can pick your choice items. The third confirmed sneak peek was either the Eco Modern Goddess Duo. These are essential oils. It's 2 essential oil pairs. These are supposed to help ease stress, bring calm to the mind and body. These are valued at $40. The next choice item was from Swell. It's a water bottle, a very expensive water bottle, but they are actually very good. They will keep your liquid cool or warm throughout the day. We had a choice of one of 3 you will get. Randomly, they will pick. These are worth $35. You can get it either in lilywood, pomegranate, or birchwood. Or you could have picked the next item, which is from Smile Sciences. It's the 2-teeth whitening pens. These you use twice a day for 30 days. They give you enough for a 30-day period. These are valued at $80. These whitening pens can get your teeth up to 10 shades whiter. Or you could have picked the Hallmarks Collection. It's a satin pillowcase and mask. You can get it in either blush or leopard pink. And he really showed the leopard pink. Wow, these are gorgeous. And these are supposed to help keep your hair from having split ends. It also helps your face not to get creases in them from the pillowcase. The last item in this choice group is from Osea. It's the Gia Shea Sculptor. And this is to firm and define the contours of your face. It sells for $32. And it's a tool made out of jade that'll help melt muscle tension and improve your skin's firmness. The next sneak peek that will be in everybody's box, this would be the 4th item in the box, is from Kylie Skin. It's the foaming face wash for $24. He didn't show that item on his desk, but we are told that everyone will get this item. Now the new sneak peeks. This would be your 5th item in the box. It's a variation item. This is confirmed. It came out of Joe's mouth. The first item is from M. Greengrass. We've gotten products from this brand before. It's the Cbd Head to Toe Cream for $56. This has a unique formula that uses 100 milligrams of THC-free encapsulated CBD for better absorption. It's packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits for the skin. It's for all skin types. It's great as a daily facial moisturizer, or you can use it for any challenging dry spots from head to toe. So this is a good one. If you don't get this item, you will get the next item, which is the Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. Now this brush set sells for $65. These are 5 professional quality brushes that are made with bamboo charcoal infused bristles for an antibacterial effect. The 5 brushes you'll receive are a powder brush, a contour brush, a concealer brush, a highlighter brush, and 1 eyeshadow brush. This seems like a very nice set, and I think the price is right on at $65. So you'll get either one this would be your 5th item in the box, either the CBD Head to Toe Cream or the 5-piece brush set. So that leaves 3 more items in the box. If we get 8, we usually get 8 to 9 items, so it could be 3 or 4 more items. Now, we did have another sneak peek, and this one hasn't been confirmed yet. This one was by Pharmacy. Is the Deep Sweep Toner with the 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. This sells for $28. He has not confirmed where this will be. I was thinking it may be in the Luxe box, but he hasn't said more about it yet, so we'll just have to wait and see. I'm getting so excited with this Luxe box. I think it's turning out to be a good Luxe box. So if anybody's interested in upgrading or even just subscribing, I always have the information below the video. It helps out my channel when you do use my link. I'm kind of the underdog with Boxycharm. I do get PR, but that's it. I don't get any of the extra items. I just don't have as big a following as some of the other ladies. So I really appreciate it when you use my link to sign up. It really helps my channel. So thank you guys for watching. Remember the giveaway. We only have a few more days left to win the Life's a Drag palette. I will link up above the playlist of all May's videos. If you need to catch up, you can play it while you're doing the dishes and listen or whatever. I really appreciate it, and good luck to 2 lucky winners who will win those palettes this month. I hope everybody is staying safe and getting to do a little bit more in their states. I say my prayers that all the Bindi Babes will stay safe. And until the next video, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we